Okay, now once you have reached the end of the installation, all you need to do is you will get the either a crash within VirtualBox where that window will close or it will freeze and become unresponsive. That's nothing to worry about. At the end of these installations, more times than not, that window will crash and you will end up not being able to do anything with it. So all you have to do is just click out of that window. Otherwise, if you do get the message that says please restart by holding down the power button, don't worry about that. You'll do the same thing, just standard click out of the window using your X up in the top right. Now, to save some time here, instead of setting this up from scratch, I'm going to just show you what my primary OSX looks like when I have it pulled up. So all you would do at this point with your newly installed machine is you just click on its name and you click start, just like I'm going to do with mine here. And you will see it boot, and it will have the name of your hard disk, whatever you named it. When you're setting up your OSX for the first time, it will take significantly longer. But this should not take me very long because this is already pre-installed. As you can see, when you boot in here, it will look just like OSX, but instead of coming straight to the screen, you will be prompted to create a user account and password to log in, which takes all of about 15 to 20 seconds if you have that stuff, thought of already. So after you click that, you'll just get to this screen right here and you'll see the desktop for OSX. This comes ready to go with Safari. I've installed Chrome, but you can click on Safari right here, and the Ethernet that I'm running on is automatically detected, much like how if you have Wi-Fi it will work the same way. As you can see here, it is the 17th of December and the Beethoven minigame is on the Google page, so this is working with internet automatically. The only thing that you may have to do after this point in time to get your machine running extremely well is to change the resolution. Many different methods are out there for changing the resolution. As you can see, mine is full screened resolution within this window, and that's because I've already done that. I had to go into the command line, command prompt, and go to the VirtualBox folder by typing in D:// VirtualBox, and that brought me to my VirtualBox folder. And then from there, I typed vbox manage set extra data, and then in parentheses custom video mode 1. Then in space parentheses, or not parentheses, I'm sorry, quotation marks. Then you put your resolution in there. And you can easily Google that, and there's a lot of guides out there on how to do it because it sometimes does not work universally. That's why I'm not going to cover that in this video, is because if I did this, chances are maybe one or two of the people that saw this would, maybe have a similar solution, but otherwise it's not something I'm going to cover in this video. It's just a Google search away, and it won't take that long. So from here, you can go ahead and start using your OS, that's fine. But I'm just going to go ahead and click out, click X, and click power off the machine. You can save this state, it doesn't really matter to me. And at that, you have everything working fine. You have OSX installed on VirtualBox. You have it running with your allocated amount of RAM and disk space, and you have your user account created to let you in. All you have to do after that point is find your individual fix for resolution, which yet again, like I said, is tricky to figure out if you haven't already done it before. So this is pretty much the end of this video. I hope this helped you I tried to be as comprehensive as possible in putting all the details that were necessary here to get the general idea of how to set this up. Let me know how I did below, and also leave a like if this helped you out. I'll make sure to put those links in the description for the downloads, and I hope you really benefit from this video. Thank you for watching.